I'm so excited! Hi everyone! Welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing my... This one is my new laptop. It's the 2022 MacBook Air M2. So, excited na ako! Join me, I'll be unboxing it. So, I'll show you the basic package and whatever it is that's inside. By the way, the specs of this laptop that we got is actually different from the ones that you buy on the store. Kasi parang customize pa namin siya. Kasi we wanted it to have higher RAM, higher memory. So, yun. So, I'll show you the details here. Okay? So, anyway, let's unbox it. okay, that's it. I'm so excited. So I'll just try what I can explore and what I can download for this for my new laptop. So I hope I get used to it because I'm not really used to using Apple yet. So phone lang, I mean iPhone, iPad, but computer, I'm really used to using Windows. So hopefully maka-adjust ako again. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!